When you want to improve your health, what's the first thing you think of? Adding new foods, new supplements, or new workouts, right? But sometimes, the most powerful change isn't adding something new. It's removing what's quietly draining your energy and damaging your health. In the US, our food is often engineered for taste and shelf life, not for our well-being. And while it's okay to enjoy your favorite foods now and then, some items are consistently harmful when eaten regularly. Today, we're diving into 5 common foods that are worth avoiding if you want to feel your best. Now, this isn't about fear or perfection, it's about awareness. When you understand what certain foods do to your body, you gain the power to make better choices. It's not about cutting everything out at once, but about making small upgrades, one meal at a time. So, with that in mind, let's get started. First on the list, ultra-processed meats. Think hot dogs, many lunch meats, and some sausages. They're popular for quick meals, but they're loaded with preservatives, sodium, and additives that burden your system. Eating them often can leave you feeling sluggish, bloated, and dehydrated. Your body knows the difference between clean protein, like grilled chicken, and a highly processed hot dog. Your energy levels will thank you for choosing wisely. Second, sugary beverages. This isn't just soda. It includes flavored coffees, energy drinks, and even some so-called healthy fruit juices. Liquid sugar hits your bloodstream fast, spiking your blood sugar and leaving you hungry and craving more just a short time later. Many of us drink more calories than we realize, contributing to weight gain and fatigue. Cutting back on just one sugary drink a day can make a huge difference in your energy and clarity. Third, we have the American-style ultra-processed pastry. Packaged donuts, toaster pastries, and those grocery store muffins are designed to taste incredible, but offer almost zero nutrition. They combine refined flour, sugar, and industrial oils, creating a cycle of cravings that just keeps you coming back for more. Starting your day with these can lead to an energy crash that ruins your morning. Swapping them for whole foods like oats or eggs can dramatically improve your focus and mood. Fourth is deep-fried fast food. Fried chicken, fries, crispy sandwiches, they're classics, but the oils used are the real problem. Most fast food places reuse their oil repeatedly, which changes its chemical structure and makes it inflammatory and hard for your body to process. This can leave you feeling heavy, tired, and foggy. Have you ever felt that way after a big fried meal? That's your body sending you a clear signal. Finally, the fifth food to watch out for is anything with artificial trans fats, often listed as partially hydrogenated oils. While they've been phased out of many products, they still pop up in things like microwave popcorn, some packaged snacks, and non-dairy creamers. These industrial oils are extremely difficult for your body to handle and can negatively impact your energy and digestion. Learning to spot them on ingredient labels is a simple way to protect your health. At the end of the day, cutting back on these 5 foods isn't about rigid rules. It's about connecting with your body and choosing a path that supports your healing. You deserve to feel energized and strong. Maybe your first step is swapping one soda for water. Maybe it's choosing a whole food breakfast. Whatever it is, start there. Your path to healing is built one choice at a time, and today is the perfect day to begin. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on your healing journey.